Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start over in a Bingo Blitz app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. After you're inside the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one first. Once you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to start over again, first of all, you need to select this three lines icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now scroll down until you find the logout option. Here you can see logout option, tap on it. Again select logout. Again choose this logout button. Now in order to completely start over from scratch, here you can see played before option, select it. Now you need to choose the play as guest option. So this will help you play the Bingo Blitz app again from the start. So select this play as guest option. And there you go. You can now again play from level 1. So that's it. That's how you can start over in Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.